Hello friends, our project title is Fast Clustering Based Feature Subset Selection Algorithm on High Dimensional Data, and the domain of our project is data mining. And now I'm going to show you how to run our project. And to run our project, the softwares that are required are JDK latest version, that is 8th version, and MyEclipse and MySQL. First of all, we have to open MyEclipse will show you the link. It will take some time to open. Click OK. It is asking for workspace. Yeah, now first of all we need to deploy a code into this MyEclipse. To do that, press on File. Will be shown an import option. Click on that. From this you choose your file. If you choose that file, you will get a file. You will get your file imported here. We have already did that. And next thing you have to do is run this project. You will see a run as MyEclipse server application. You will get the interface like this. Now what you have to do is copy this path, minimize this, go to any browser, and simply paste it over here. And press enter. You will see the interface like this. This is the home page of our project. And next thing you have to do is log in. If you are a new user, click on new user. You will get a registration page. Register over here. I have already registered, so now I am logging. I'm logging in. This is a search engine that will appear after logging in. Now, what is the aim of a project means, if you search any string here, or suppose Indian, press on search button, you will get a list from the database cluster. If you have entered Indian in search box, so whatever the strings are there, whatever the data is present in the database, uh, this algorithm will find all those data in which Indian string is there. From that cluster, all the data will appear here, and the main theme of our project is calculating the time taken for the retrieval of a string that have entered in the search box, and the time will be shown here. The searching time taken was 0.23 milliseconds, that is in milliseconds. And then go back. For example, search for another string in, you will get a list of data. You will get all those data, all the data that contains the word, the string in, and you will also get images. If you press this, you will get further details of those images and further details of those data. Now if you want to upload any further data into a database, first you have to log out, then admin. You'll see a admin tab. Press on that admin tab. Now if you want, only admin will have rights to the database, only he can access database. So if you want to enter any further database, only any further data into the database, so you have to log in as admin. I'm logging in. You'll see a list of text boxes, naming, file name, file id, file key, file subkey, and common name. If you want to upload any data into the database, provide all these fields. For example, 1 2 file name abc, file key 1 2 3, file subkey 1 2, common name a. Let it be a. Click on next. You'll find a choose file button here in the upload file. Choose your file that you want to upload to the database. Choose your file and press on open. Then the file will be submit. Press on submit. Then file will be uploaded into the database. Now after doing this, click on logout and again login. Now whatever the data you have uploaded, that can be find using the common name of that data that you have uploaded. That common name should be provided in the search box, same as what we have did earlier. And we have many options over here: web search, images, news, and sports. We can also search for images, we can also search for news, and we can also search for sports. Some error. Okay. Oh, this is what our project. The main theme of our project is calculating the time retrieval. These what images that we have entered, that we have uploaded into the database. The main theme of our project is calculating the time taken to retrieve the data from the database. Here see, searching time taken was 0.00 some zeros 1406 seconds. And this is a user interface. And if you want to see the login details and who are all the register, who are all the users present in the for this data, go to MySQL database. Command prompt. Root is the password. Now the database that we have created is clustering, so we are connecting to that database. Connect clustering. You'll see that database is connected. Now what all the tables that are present in our database? For that, enter a command like show tables. These are all the tables that are present in our database. Tables in clustering: files, files 1, files, image, registration. So first, what all the data that present in the files table? In order to do that, select star from files. This is the data that is present in our files table. Now whenever a new user is registered, that details of that new user that will enter the details of the new user will enter into the registration table. So to see the details of the new user, select start from registration. We have to check the spelling. Registration. See, the last users are Rajesh, and the data of complete data of that user is stored in this table. Whenever you are logging in, it will authenticate using this table. It will authenticate, and it will, if you provide the correct password, you will be logging successfully. And this is the database that we are maintaining. Okay, and this is a final complete overview of our project. Thank you.